everyone, I'm Rishi, founder of Fitnastic. First of all, thanks a lot, Rachna ma'am, to invite me to to spread a light regarding diet and fitness, like how we can maintain that at home. So how I started, it was like an amazing B Pharma, and then completed my MBA in Pharma Management. After that, I was working for Cipla, and during the corporate life, we usually try to understand what exactly the purpose is, why we are doing something. I think the earning is not something. Something while doing the job. So I thought, okay, having a I was having a good kind of background doing the workouts and staying fit and that kind of personal journey. So thought of starting off Fitnastic. So the basic purpose of Fitnastic was to make a kind of overall system, a kind of system where health and fitness should be accessible to every family, and that's what I'm finding out. So I think I can also share the presentation. Um, Okay, just check, Rachna ma'am, can everyone see the presentation?
Can you all see the presentation? Just give me a yes in the chat.
Okay, that's great. So I think I also kept the title like Work for Health rather from Home. It's like WFH, a kind of smart way to stay fit. So as I was talking about my journey, see if you can see my kind of before picture. Like it's like a kind of beginning of my journey, like how I become fit. But that was just a beginning. But while becoming fit, I've learned a lot of things about it, and finally I got objective. Okay, this is something that I really need to work for the society, and that's how we can also build a kind of model where we can make health and fitness accessible and affordable for each and every family. And that's how I started Fitnastic. So previously I was working for the corporate sector, and then I left the job and started my entrepreneurial. Like it's just a brief that okay, that I was also having a kind of ambitions related to entrepreneurship. I co-founded a kind of group during the school time. It was Obscura Graphics related to animation actually. And then I co-founded Swasthya Healthcare, where we got the fundings as well during the college time, and then finally I started Fitnastic. So introduction, I think that now we should actually work and talk about that how we can work for health rather than I would not say like how work on health while doing a work from home. So I will talk about certain diet tips, certain training tips, a kind of smart way to stay fit. I will not say कि okay एक घंटा exercise रोज करो, but I would say कि okay these are certain small tips that you can try and inherit in your lifestyle. Yes.
Wonderful. Okay. So
Yes, Rachna.
I would want to ask you a question that we all
Yes.
as working professionals, we understand somewhere that health is important, but then in our day-to-day routine, we get lost somewhere. We get tied up with the hectic schedules and the kind of culture that's there in the corporates these days. So is it possible actually to devote some time, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes and some diet plans and, still stay healthy?
Yeah, it's particularly possible, and I would good kind of hybrid model that many even companies are working on ki okay like people are good, like they are on like at ease ki हाँ चलो घर से ही काम करना है, they are not okay रोज ऑफिस भागना है, so they are like okay this is something which can be sustainable. So yes, you can stay fit and you can also maintain your fitness at by doing certain kind of small little things every day.
Okay, that's great. So we all know that COVID has actually completely changed the world and how we all used to work earlier. We cannot move out, we cannot go out to exercise, do morning walks, etc. So is there any way or any set of activities for which you can share with us and the community? Most of us are working professionals here, which we can even stay indoor and practice these and do these.
Correct. So, okay, this is something. Okay, the first of all, which I really want to highlight regarding the how you can maintain your fitness in a way, I will just briefly introduce something known as NEAT. That is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. For that, you don't have to do exercises. Okay, in this bar graph, you can see that it is divided into four panels. Like one is resting metabolic rate, one is about thermic effect of meals, one is need, and one is exercise. So resting metabolic something like I hope everyone doesn't mind if I go a little bit into science. So if I just talk about the resting metabolic rate, something that body burns to work on the like normal daily activities to stay your organs fit, normal daily physiological processes that take place in your body. That is your resting metabolic rate, and along with that we have a certain thermic effect of meals as well. Whenever we are consuming something, we get a little bit of a kind of metabolic spike because body needs energy to also burn and also digest the food and also absorb that. So we have certain kind of bar graph for a particular range for thermic effect of meals, and there's a long, you can see blue color ka NEAT. So what is non-exercise thermogenesis? These are smart ways to change certain things in our daily lifestyle. For example, if I talk about like if you are working and we are working from home, we need to attend a lot of calls. We need to attend the call of our boss, we need to attend the call of our colleagues, a lot of things. We so usually what we do, we just like sit on the chair and just take a call. Instead of that, what we can do, we can just walk and have a call. It's a very small little thing that we can do. So that can burn around 50 to 100 kilocalories like in just 10 to 15 minutes if you are on a call. So this is NEAT. This is a non-exercise activity. You are not doing an exercise, but you are increasing your metabolic rate by doing something which is not exactly an exercise. So this is just an example. Like for example, like if you stay on a second or the third floor in Mumbai, and instead of taking a lift, if you just take a, that is a non-exercise activity because you're burning a little bit more of calories by doing certain kind of changes in your daily lifestyle. So if I talk about like how you can speed up your NEAT, for example, if you have a pet at your home, you can just like having a walk with your dog, like you cleaning the house, dancing and shower. Yes, it's one of the reasons. It's actually good. Like if those who love to sing and those who love to dance, like they can increase the metabolic rate and kind of these kind of activities. Cleaning the house, staying the taking the staircase instead of a lift, and taking a call while walking instead of just sitting, that you can do along with the exercises. I would not directly say okay, let's start off with an exercise routine which should have like a 1 hour activity. Small kind of tips and small kind of changes that you can inherit by doing NEAT kind of activities. Along with that, a kind of stretching routine that I will also share with you. And if you guys really want, I will share with Rachna ma'am that where you can like have a detailed outlook that exactly what you need to follow. But these are certain 12 kind of stretch and flex movements that you can follow or inherit in your lifestyle, which hardly take 10 minutes. It's like a stretching kind of thing because see, from home there are a lot of posture related issues as well. You find a lot of back pain ho raha hai, lower back mein pain ho raha hai, you are feeling bloated, you're feeling lethargic while working. So these help you mobilize on different kind of joints and different kind of muscles. So this is very very important, like back extension, so that will work on your overall back. If I talk about shoulder pullover, so shoulder, it will work more on the shoulder muscles, because shoulder takes a lot of responsibilities. We always say कि हमारे कंधों पे इतना बोझ है like if we would have heard about like our parents saying about that. So it's actually genuine, like we our shoulders take a lot of, and because we need to work, our arms are attached with the shoulders. So you can do certain kind of stretch, shoulder opening stretch or a shoulder pullover. I will also share this image with Rachna ma'am. It can be spread, and that can be like to be spread in the community as well. So this is something that I would say ki yes, people can do. It hardly take 10 minutes of your time, and allow increase your NEAT activities. This is something that I really want to suggest those who are actually working from home.
Yes, these neat activities are quite interesting. Guys, if you found this interesting, I want you all to type an interesting in the chat. And especially, I just love dancing in the shower. Come on.
Something for them who I totally understand. A lot of in Mumbai, lot of tenants who are staying for shower work नहीं करता है. Lot of facts are there. So this is also something a fact in Mumbai. Those who are in Mumbai, so this is one of the facts that I really feel कि shower work नहीं करता है. For them
So,
it's good that they can take a staircase instead of a lift.
absolutely, and they seem very simple and doable things. I mean, these are not something which you need to really go out of the way or take out time. Just to,
Right.
while talking on the phone, you can do it while cleaning the house. So they seem to be very doable.
Right, correct. So at least you are getting a kind of 15% of margin by doing neat activities. So that's why it's very, very important. Like you can take about, can boost up your metabolic rate by 5 to 10%. And along with that, if you are doing neat, that means 15%. So you're getting a boost of 25% along with your basal metabolic rate. That is like varies from individual to individual.
Absolutely. So, we when it's work from home nowadays, frankly, it's become like actually work 24/7, because most of the time we are in front of the laptops. Either we are working, or maybe we are watching Netflix or something at least. So, can you share, or maybe it'll be great if you can just show us some stretches that we can, while sitting on the laptop, we can take a quick break, do some stretches, and feel a little relaxed and a little more energetic.
Correct. So the best I would say the exercises while sitting is something. Just go for chair sit-ups. What exactly you need to do? Just make a kind of okay. I need to go for 20 sit-ups while working. So just minutes go for 20 sit-ups, just like it's a kind of squat kind of thing. If you realize while you're sitting, that's a squat position. So where you are sitting and your back and correct, that's a squat position exactly. If you just leave and you just remove the chair, when you will realize that's a squat position. So exactly, just count, okay, I need to go for 60 sit-ups, 20 in one go, so 20 so that will burn around 80 kilocalories. So that is something a 2% of your exercise kind of range that you have for a day. So that is something. Along with that, if I would say, there are certain neck and shoulder exercises. Like for example, if you're stretching and if you're sitting and if you want to stretch your arm, shoulder, what exactly you need to do? You just need to stretch like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also done with your neck. Like first shoulder rotation, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. That is something very simple, and that can also be done while working. So if it can be included with certain more stretches that I was talking about, like around 10 to 12 stretches exactly target on different kind of muscle groups, I think that's enough for to start off with something, a kind of detrained individual who someone who is actually not exercising. So for them, it's something which is enough to start off with, like in just 15 days or 20 days, and just once it's become a habit after days, then you can start off with certain little bit more of strenuous exercises for around 10 to 20 minutes. And one more thing that I really want to recommend: a break from work from home after a dinner, whenever we plan to watch a movie or to watch a web series on Netflix or Prime, we need to make sure after the dinner we just go for a 10-minute. It's not necessary you go out and वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. It's not like that. Like you can just go for a walk at your home. You can just go on the terrace. You can have a walk for 10 minutes. That's it. That will also boost up your metabolism, and that will also improve your digestion once your dinner is over. So that is also very, very important.
Okay, great. Thanks for sharing that. Now, any tips for maintaining, you know, balance, work balance, health balance, and taking care of health as well simultaneously?
I think before going to that exactly, like, I would suggest, ma'am, if we can just talk about a little bit regarding the importance of diet and fitness, and from that I will take towards like why is something like kind of tips that we can include in our diet and in terms of exercises as well. So if I really exactly want to talk about like what kind of choices that we today can be a kind of making a healthier tomorrow. Okay, so only 4 points, nothing much of like certain things that exactly are like blueprinted. It's like vicious circle, which I really believe which is very very important. If I talk about in Hindi, हम लोग यदि हिंदी में बात करें तो हम लोग vicious circle क्या होता है? We just consume something unhealthy, like just taking a samosa in the breakfast. We feel bad, we feel bloated about, and we are having some acidity issues. We just go to the nearest chemist shop, we just buy a pandy or a kind of पुदीना कि थोड़ा acidity है मुझे ये लेना है. We consume that, we come back, and then we again consume a vada pav in the evening. Then again we feel something bad, and then again we go to the chemist कि आज मतलब अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ और एक और पैंडी ले लो. So instead of that, and then you feel very bad or कुछ stomach issues हो जाते हैं, then we go rush to the doctor. Okay, that you need antibiotics or something like that. So we need to break that vicious circle. If I just talk about the origin, that is something that is wrong in your diet. If we just correct that, you don't have to spend too much of time and money for the medicines and taking appointments from the doctors and like that. You just make that kind of foundation stone right, and that is where we need to break that vicious circle. Second, if I talk about happy organs, what is happy organs? Like for example, we feel bad or we feel hurt, like कभी हम लोग गिर गए या कहीं कुछ हमें बाहर से आउटर सरफेस पे कुछ लग गया, तो we feel यार कि दर्द हो रहा है. It's something happens to organs as well. For example, just take an ओके कि आज मुझे चीज बर्स्ट पिज्जा खाने का मन है, एंड नाउ टेक द सेम पर्सपेक्टिव फ्रॉम द ऑर्गन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ऑर्गन वुड लाइक यार ये फिर से आज पिज्जा खिलाएगा, मतलब आज फिर से हमें इतना मेहनत करना पड़ेगा डाइजेशन में लिवर किडनी, तुम लोग सही से मतलब ध्यान रखो अपना यार. तो I'm just talking about in the kind of funny way, but that's how I think organs used to talk कि यार आज तो फिर से ये पिज्जा, अरे फिर से समोसा खिला दिया. It's something like that कि if we can make our organs happy, whenever we're going for the blood reports are all kidney levels, urea levels, or like if I talk about GOT GPT levels, liver profile, everything will be perfect if we are taking care of our organs. And uska kya foundation hai? We need to make our corrections in the diet. And the importance of even diet is like it boosts concentration, productivity, creativity, and it also reduces stress. Even exactly, it's scientifically proven that it reduces the cortisol levels in our body. So that is the importance of diet and exercises, that you need to make sure कि ये चीजें सही से apply हो, and वहां से will take forward what kind of how we and life. That is health and you. You are doing a job that is a part of your life, but that's not your life. But that we need to understand. So if that becomes your life, then you will not get time for yourself. And where I exactly feel कि we should take some time for ourselves. We need to do certain things that we really love to do. For example, I really love to play piano. So I really take some time out कि okay चलो 10 minutes I will play some piano, I will just sing something and I will feel happy about it. And if I talk about the expectations, we need to keep certain targets for ourselves कि okay we don't have to push ourselves too much कि हम लोग हमारे लिए ही time ना निकाल पाए. तो that is very very important during the work from home culture. And I would say best thing that we can do, and it's very accessible to everyone, that is listening to the good music. Headphones lagao and just listen to some good music, whichever genre that you like. Just listen to good music, and that will also refresh your mind. That is something that we can do. And and in terms of work, we need to be little flexible. Like we need to take short breaks. I think when we are working from home, we need to take short breaks, like 10 minutes का break just गाना सुन लिया या एक वॉक लेके आ गए and just like we are just coming back and then again we are working on. So we'll be working more towards the productivity. It's not like a stress kind of thing for the whole day. So that's how you can divide the time and you can work for us. We can work for ourselves. And there are small 5 tips. One I already mentioned, that listening to the good music. Along with that, walking for 10 minutes. You can have a step counter. कि अच्छा आज 5,000 6,000 steps करने. Next time we'll be going for 6,500 steps. Third, replacing the packaged product. That is a very detailed thing. But more you replace the packaged products, instead of that consuming whatever is prepared home cooked meals, that will also balances your life, because you are eating something which is natural, not something which is artificially created or manufactured in the factories. If when we are working on our work and life balance, we also maintain and we should know the time of our meals, but at what exactly the time is there. हमें यदि पता है कि हमें डिनर हम लोग को 8 बजे करना है, तो ट्राई टू कंज्यूम बाय 8. एंड इफ इट around बज जाता है, तो just make sure you have your breakfast little late, around 9:30 10. It's not necessary to have breakfast every day at 8 o'clock. If you know that if your dinner is late, you can consume your breakfast as well late. Okay, so that is. And ये कहा जाता है कि we should consume breakfast like a king. No, it's not like that. According to the Ayurvedic literature, we should keep our breakfast little light. We should consume more of fruits or a kind of, I would say, sprouts and those kind of, I would say, kind of meals which are not too heavy for our system. Okay, we need to make sure that and like not kind of deep fried foods that we need to eat during the breakfast time, and there should be certain of foods that we need to take care of. So this is something that is from the health perspective, that how you can maintain your life. And from the work perspective, I would say listening to the good music, taking some time out for ourselves, like doing certain kind of like performing or doing certain exercises, or taking some time out for our hobbies as well. So that's how we can maintain a good work and life balance.
Awesome. Yeah, they are really useful. In fact, listening to music is a great stress buster. And I personally, for me, it's a great stress buster. So these are all great tips that you shared with us. Now my next question to you. So far, in case you all have any questions, you can share your questions in the chat. I can take your questions one by one. So I would want to ask you next question. When it comes to staying hydrated, now we all know that increasing the water intake, staying hydrated is really important. But personally, if you ask me, and I know a lot of women, that doesn't happen with them. So what do you want to suggest or give us some tips on that?
Okay, yes. So we need to consume more of a kind of fruits or the vegetables, more of water value. For example, watermelon. Watermelon is around, or a muskmelon, it has around 85% to 90% it's water. So if we can consume fruits, definitely we don't have a keep a timer or a track of kitne glass hame roz pani peena, and that is not possible, and it is very difficult for everyone to follow for a longer term. It's not sustainable. But to keep ourselves hydrated, we have certain options available. If you are in Mumbai, we know that coconut water is readily available anywhere in Mumbai. You out for like a minute or like for 5 minutes, you will find a kind of vendor selling coconut water. Or else we can get more of fruits which have got good amount of water. Example, as I said, watermelon, muskmelon. Those are fruits which are readily available anywhere. Like you can consume that. Definitely, it also depends on seasons. Like if there is a little bit of winter season, you can consume more of berries like strawberries or blueberries, which also have a good kind of water value. Along with that, we also get some good vitamins like B12, B2, B6, and like biotin. We also get good amount of minerals from our fruits as well. And like it's always coconut water, you always will getting a good kind of electrolyte replenishment from coconut water, because it has a immense amounts of electrolytes that can maintain your balance. More of cramps as well while working. We sometimes feel cramps आ जाता है, हम लोग exercise करते हैं कुछ, there's a muscle pull or something like that. So we make sure कि if you are consuming those kind of fruits, watermelon, muskmelon, or consuming coconut water. And yes, one more thing, हमें चाय पीने की बहुत आदत होती है while working from home. चाय is like चलो 2-3 घंटे बाद चलो एक चाय कप एक चाय बना लेते हैं. तो वी नीड टू ऑल्सो मेक श्योर कि कैफीन का जो हमारा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, जो हमारे लेवल्स है, वी from 120 to 150 milligram, that's max. Okay, so that is very very important, because caffeine जो होता है वो हमारा बॉडी को डिहाइड्रेट करता है. तो उतना ही you need to consume more of water then. तो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपका कैफीन कंजम्पशन भी मेंटेन रहे इन सर्टेन लेवल्स, while you can also consume more of fruits like watermelon or strawberries, or else you can try coconut water as well. And in terms of a normal range of कितना पानी पीना चाहिए, that is 4 to 5 liters in a day. That is more than sufficient. That is more than sufficient to like drink plenty of waters, because water is something that also removes out a lot of toxins from our body. तो हम जितना पानी पीते हैं हमारी बॉडी टॉक्सिन्स को भी रिमूव करती है. तो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
True. But then if somebody is not used to drinking water, can we put lemon? How can we make sure that it doesn't seem like a task कि भाई पानी पीना है. Instead of that, we can make something else, and then as a this thing keep having it at regular intervals, like people put in fruits, lemon, mint, etc etc. So if you can just share something on that as well.
So what people can do, people can it a kind of a good amount of kind of, I would say, they can also keep it in the container. They can just make a fennel water. For example, if you are just boiling out certain water with the fennel and just make up with the cool water, they can just store it for like 2 to 3 days. And if they're consuming something from a kind of fennel water, that will also reduces the acidity. So we also a lot of acidity issues while we are working from home, क्योंकि पूरे टाइम हमें बैठना है, तो whatever we are eating, we are not spending too much of calories while burning. So we also feel sometimes acid. This is something which is good. For example, we can also create a cucumber water. How we can just put like 2 or 3 slices of water, 2 or 3 slices of cucumber in the water and just keep it. Like that will also remove toxins from our body, plus that will also makes you hydrated, because cucumber also has a good amount of water. So these are like small things that we can do in our daily lifestyle, and we can inherit to like balance out our water levels.
Okay, that's great tip. Okay, I see 2 questions in the chat. If you can take these questions. So the first question says that for losing weight, what is the amount of calories which we should be spending every day, and does it give correct expenditure? So Pinky, can you just retype your question? I think part of it is clear. If you can take that, and the other part does.
I got it. Like what Pinky say. It's like how much calories we need to kind of spend, like to burn in a day to maintain a kind of fitness regimen. I think that is what Pinky wants to say. So it's very very simple. It's a mathematical calculation. Around 1500 to 1800 kilocalories are required for a body to maintain basic metabolic processes like digestion हो गया, absorption. So 1500 to 1800 kilocalorie, that's the average amount depending upon your body weight as well. उसकी वजह से भी किलो कैलोरीज बढ़ते हैं. तो आपका बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट ज्यादा होता है if your weight is, but if we take an average, that is from 1500 to 2000. I would not say 1800, I would say 2000. So 1500 to 2000 ka we have a window. Now sure, okay, if we are burning 200 kilocalories from our exercises, we can just reduce 200 kilocalories from our diet. 100 kilocalories ka we are making a deficit. Add on need activities, तो we can just have a 500 kilocalories का deficit. तो एक छोटा सा mathematical question है. When your body burns 3500 kilocalories, your body burns 1 lbs of fat. That is around approximately 0.3. तो यदि आप 500 kilocalories का deficit रख रहे हो every day, like 200 from the diet, 200 from the exercises, and 100 from the need. So 500 into 7 is 3500. Means you are losing half kg of fat, half kg of weight. I'm saying the fat weight. Okay, so you're losing half kg of fat every week. So in a month's time, you will be losing around 2 kgs. So that's how you calculate. So that you can also always maintain कि हाँ इतना किलो calories, and then more you increase the kind of deficit, more faster you will be able to lose weight. That doesn't mean क्रैश डाइट करो. क्रैश डाइट का मतलब क्या होता है, हम 1500 किलो कैलोरी से कम खाते हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम द डाइट पर्सपेक्टिव. इफ यू आर ईटिंग लेस देन 1500 किलो कैलोरीज, a crash diet. We can increase the burning capacity by doing some strenuous exercises, by doing Tabata or Zumba or a strength training or a HIIT, high intensity. We can burn more of calories, and we need to have a kind of caloric value from the meals to 1500 to 1600. तो जितना ज़्यादा gap बढ़ेगा उतना जल्दी you can lose more of weight or fat. I think Mrinal has asked that what's exactly the proportion in which we need to consume carbs, proteins and fats. 50, 30, 20, that's the ratio. 50% of carbs, more of complex carbs. Complex carbs में आते हैं हमारे ज़्यादातर green veggies, millets, like different kind of millets like बाजरा हो गया, ज्वार हो गया. Along with that, you can consume wheat as well. There is no harm in that. We need to just make sure refined wheat हम लोग नहीं खा रहे, that is मैदा. हम लोग refined flour use कर रहे हैं. We can consume more of complex carbs. In that 50%, 20% has to be your proteins, and around 20% has to be your fats. And fats has to be more of unsaturated fats, not more of saturated fats. Okay, like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना खराब कोलेस्ट्रॉल अच्छा, that is LDL and HDL. So we need to make sure कि हमारे LDL levels हमेशा कम रहे. That is rising if you are consuming more of saturated fats. Okay, वो हमें ध्यान रखना है. And 50% of carbs, 10% of fibers. Okay, what is fibers? Fibers ज़्यादातर हमारे improve करते हैं bowel movements को. It also removes out lot of toxins from और फाइबर्स सबसे इजी वे कौन सा है? ट्राई टू कंज्यूम मोर ऑफ कुकुम्बर, कैरेट्स एंड बीटरूट. दीज आर 3 vegetables that you can add in a salad form. I'm not saying to compromise on the taste. Put some chaat masala, put some black pepper and put some lemon to make it a little bit of tasty kind of thing, and consume more of these vegetables to increase your fiber intake.
Well, thanks for taking those questions. Now, if you have to give us some tips, what is that we can have for breakfast, lunch and dinner, not putting in much effort, but things which are healthy also, which will help us keep active during the day. We don't feel much sleepy, after the lunch. So quick tips on the 3 meals that we need to take.
Right. So there are 5, I would say, science-based while consuming breakfast, lunch or dinner. First is intermittent fasting. That is something which is optional that you can try for. It's not something that we go for it. Second is satiation index. When Rachna ma'am is talking about lunch, breakfast and dinner, हमें क्या खाना चाहिए? Satiation index is very very important. What is satiation? Feeling of fullness. This feeling of fullness, हाँ हमारा पेट आज भर गया है. We feel like okay आज हमने अच्छे से खाया. संतुष्टि, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं संतुष्टि मिलना. That is something a satiation. What you can do, you can eat more of protein based meals in your dinner time. Okay, what happens, it reduces your appetite and also reduces your hunger levels, because protein time to digest, because protein has more of value, more of even takes time, because it takes time into the breakdown uska amino acid mein, so that takes lot of time to break down. Even when we are working from home, sometimes we also watch some movies or series late night, so that will reduce your cravings for late night, because you will be full if you are having a good high amount of protein. So I will directly make sure ki instead of like getting into the benefits of high protein meals, I will just give you the glance. उसके साथ साथ what we can add more of complex carbohydrates. Those are very very important. Complex carbohydrates are high in fiber and slower to digest. That means it will take time to digest. If you are consuming a chocolate or just a cornflakes or something like that, that will digest very fast, and then उसके बाद that gives a short spike to your energy levels, but फिर से आपको भूख लगेगी. So it's instead of that we can have more of complex fibers, like complex carbohydrates, like more of green veggies, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, then guar phali, kidney beans. In terms of beans I will talk about then rajma जो हमारा kidney beans होता है. So these are all complex carbohydrates that we can go for it. Or we can go for oats. We can go for muesli in the breakfast. Those are something that we can try more often in your lunch, breakfast and dinner, along with high amount of protein in your dinner. That is very very important. And there are certain plant based protein sources. Those who don't eat more of non-veg, they can try for these kind of protein sources like almonds, peanuts, rajma, tofu, matar, quinoa, oats, flax seeds, chickpeas. So you take a picture, or if you want to take a just picture of this one, you can absolutely take that, because that also mentions the amount of protein which has per grams के हिसाब से value. These are like plant based protein sources that you can try to consume. Along with that, there are certain top foods which you can consume, like chicken, like cooked fish, like lentils, अलग अलग तरह की दाल जो होती हैं हमारे घर में. Animal milk we can consume more of dahi. Instead of buying from outside, try to prepare fresh घर पे जो हमारा घर का दही होता है. That is much more better than buying from outside. Along with that we can consume more of soya beans, eggs, almonds. So these are like top foods for the protein sources. So that is important. So just make sure you consume more of complex carbs and more of protein in terms of dinner, so that your आपका satiation index maintained रहेगा. So you will not be hungry more often. So that is very very important when we are talking about हमें क्या खाना चाहिए breakfast, lunch and dinner में.
Okay,
And along
go ahead.
Along with that, I think I have not prepared a particular slide regarding what is refined sugar, because that is something which is known, और हमें सबको पता है sugar अच्छा नहीं है, but still we eat. Still we like to eat ice creams. Still we like to consume like a biscuit or something like that. So very good replacement. आपको मैं एक छोटा सा टिप देता हूँ, कभी ट्राई करना. इफ यू हैव अ स्वीट टूथ, just put 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder and 1 teaspoon of desi ghee to that, and just mix it and eat it. आपका पूरा sugar cravings will be controlled, and along with that you will get lot of benefits from the jaggery and from the ghee. So you get a good amount of benefits of zinc, iron, potassium, and along with that you get good amount of saturated and unsaturated fats from ghee, and along with a lot of minerals. Just try any time if you have a sugar craving, just put 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, and along with that just 1 teaspoon of ghee. So Pinky saying like I tried it, it's good. Yes, it's amazing. And even you can try jaggery powder. Jaggery powder is something that can be also used in baking. Okay, there are certain, like you can't use honey because denaturation हो जाएगा at that high temperature. You can use jaggery in your cakes. If you try to prepare any cake or kind of cupcake at your home, you can use jaggery powder. You can have halwa, suji halwa or atta halwa prepared from jaggery. You can use jaggery powder in your tea as well. गुड़ का चाय जिसको बोलते हैं, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप बिल्कुल उबलते हुए दूध में जैगरी ना ऐड करें, वो दूध जाएगा. जस्ट मेक श्योर थोड़ा सा वार्म वार्म हो जाए एंड देन ऐड जैगरी पाउडर टू दैट. So that's how like small kind of replacements, small alternatives for it while applying certain methods to maintain a good diet. And along with that, there's one thing that is exercising in fasted state. If you guys are really interested, we can keep a separate session on that, why we need to exercise in fasted state. But to give you a certain glance about that, कि fat state में insulin levels are high, glucose levels are high, burning glucose and storing fat. I give a very small example. आप यदि खाना खा के, if you are just खा के आप जब workout करते हैं, your body is burning more of glucose which is converted from the meals that you have consumed in your breakfast or your lunch. But if you are not, if you are doing in the fasted state, have high protein dinner, it's not necessary to eat something before the breakfast, before the workout, it's not compulsory to eat something. So directly go for a workout and you can burn more of calories, because आपकी जो daily regular metabolic processes हैं body के, वहां पर वो चीज already use हो चुकी है. So burning more of fats while doing the exercises, if you are keeping your exercises in the fasted state, not in the fat state. Okay, so this, if you guys are interested, I can also share some research papers which also talks about the same. So this is something into the details ki we need to improve more of it, increase hormone production, improves your fat burning, lot of things are there. But we need to make sure that we are exercising in the fasted state. And I would say कि packaged products. I just give you a glance of only 2 products. We are running short of time. I will just give you the small 2 things. हम लोग NutriChoice खाते हैं, but we never see the label here. If we see the label, you can see the label. I just took a picture from the mart that its whole wheat flour is just 61%. So you can just imagine around 39% क्या है उसमें. I think it's maida because it's never mentioned. And along with that, if you see, it's written sweetener 955. They sometimes hide certain, they label it as no added sugar. But when you get into the ingredients, you can see sweetener 955. That is sucralose. Sucralose is an artificial sweetener that gives the same insulin spike comparatively to the refined one. तो आपको शुगर स्पाइक तो उतना ही मिल रहा है, ओनली द डिफरेंस इज आप कैलोरिक वैल्यू नहीं मिल रहा है स्वीटनर से, but insulin spike is the same thing. So just make sure when buying, when you are buying any package, also see the ingredients, whether it has sweeteners, whether it has jaggery, we should know. And second thing, हम लोग को ब्रेड खाने की बहुत आदत होती है, and that is something very staple in a breakfast time. कि चलो ब्रेड का, let's make a sandwich or make a egg toast or something like that. But when we see a market label of a brown bread, we see whole wheat flour is just 32%. Means around 68% is refined flour. मतलब हम मैदा ही खा रहे हैं. And along with that, you can see there are contains fermented natural. It's not exactly the color of the wheat that is produced in the dark brown color, but it's the amount of color which is added to those breads, जो कि हमारी बॉडी में और ज्यादा toxins create करते हैं. So that we need to make sure, we need to check the label whether it's a whole wheat bread or if it's a marketed bread, it can't be at a larger scale without maida. Always remember that maida उसमें होगा. You can prepare a bread at home. It doesn't take too much of time. Or better is replace it with chapati with the bread instead of a bread. Yes, so I think Pinky has one more question that so if we are dieting, is it necessary to take supplements? No, not at all. Never. Like we don't have to go for the supplements. We have too many natural foods available around us that can be inherited in our lifestyle. We need to have fresh veggies. We need to have more of seasonal fruits, seasonal vegetables instead of going for the supplements. To be honest, we exactly don't know what exactly supplements. We don't have those strong food standard guidelines and the regulation as well in our country that we can't exactly predict what exactly they are adding. daily require certain supplements. So that is something after around 4 or 5 months, and you're doing a lot of strenuous exercises, then you can try certain a kind of protein supplement or something like that. And that is also, we need to have a kind of thorough research that which is the best brand that we should go for, because in our Indian diet we don't have too much of protein content related foods. So we need to make sure कि हम लोग फिर whey protein consume करें, which is little bit something which is manufactured from outside, but that is something which is extreme side that we can go for supplements. We should avoid supplements to the maximum extent. We should not go for the supplements.
There is
Okay, you're asking for Revital Women. Okay, yes. So, yes, Kishore has also asked that can you focus on belly fat reduction exercises? Definitely, yes. So, first I will just answer. Okay, so Vital Women, yes, it's a good product, but exactly there are certain fruits which give the same amount, and if we just include during the breakfast time or like in the mid-evening snacks, which will complete your vitamins requirements. First of all, we should also always test whether we actually have a deficiency of vitamins or not. If we are not having a deficiency, why we are consuming a supplement? So we need to go make sure that whether if we are having a deficiency, then we need to definitely go for a supplement instead of directly going for a supplement which is like just referred by someone कि चलो Revital Women ले लेते हैं आज से कल. So instead of that, we need to make sure कि if we have a deficiency or we feel low or something, कुछ B12 का issue है, then we need to think about the supplements. So if you are consuming Revital Women, there are two things. First, if you are doing a lot of strenuous exercises, if you are sweating out a lot, so that आपके काफी सारे iron sweat के through निकल जाते हैं, that you feel weak, you don't have certain you have lethargic issues as well, then you can plan for Revital Women. But uske pehle bhi I would say ki try to go for a test ki whether you actually have a deficiency, go for the supplements. Yes, so Kishore is saying that if we can focus more on belly fat reduction exercises, definitely I will share exercises that we can work more on the belly fat reduction, but there is no, always remember there is no spot reduction kind of thing. We need to work on different muscle groups, and जब आप overall करोगे तो आपका belly fat भी कम हो जाएगा. And to be honest, एक बहुत ही खराब चीज है कि like we tend to get more of the fat in our belly area. सबसे पहले belly area में हमारा fat चढ़ता है आई वुड से, और सबसे लास्ट में वहीं से निकलता है. So that is something that is created by God. So that is something we don't have in our hands. तो वो चीज तो है. So that will take time. But yes, while doing the workout in the fasted state, you can increase the blood flow towards your belly region. एक छोटा सा टेस्ट बताता हूँ. कभी भी वर्कआउट करने belly पे हाथ लगा के देखना, तो you'll feel like आपको ठंडा ही महसूस होगा, because the blood circulation is little less. So we can increase the blood circulation while working out in the fasted state. And second, there are certain exercises, if you can note it down. This one is dead bug. This second is flutter kicks. Third is writing that I will go a little slow. Dead bug. You can also Google out those exercises, and even I will also share it with Rachna ma'am when that it can be shareable, that you can try those exercises. Second is flutter kicks. Third is bicycle kicks. Fourth is leg scissors, and fifth is plank. So it covers more of the movements of all the obliques and your rectus abdominis and your internal abdominis as well. So you can perform those exercises at least thrice a week. कि मुझे फिटनेस लेवल्स नहीं पता, तो आई कांट से डायरेक्टली कि कितने reps कितने सेट करने हैं, but you can perform these exercises. That will also help you to reduce certain kind of fat from the belly region.
Okay, superb. Thank you for taking all the questions and making, health and fitness to so simple and easy, I would say. But a lot of us feel that it's a big task. So quickly, my last question to you is any advice, any suggestion, or any quick tips for our viewers, though you have shared many of them?
So I would say the most important thing that we need to stay at least we need to make time 10 minutes out in our day to work, to perform certain exercises. Along with that, 10 minutes of walking, so 20 minutes for certain exercises, certain movements. Need to replace refined sugar. Like, to be honest, I don't keep refined sugar in my home from in last 3 years, so that also reduces my cravings for refined sugar, because I am a Gujarati. I have a very strong sweet tooth, so मुझे sugar चाहिए ही होती है. तो I keep jaggery powder, so that's how I replace, and I do certain kind of changes कि muesli के साथ ले लिया, कभी I had a protein shake or something like that. So we quit refined sugar, at least reduce the quantity. I would not directly say quit कर दो, reduce the quantity, slowly make a habit कि refined sugar कम करना है. Second, 20 for ourselves, 10 minutes of walking and 10 minutes of stretching and certain exercises. I think these are the two tips I would say at least they need to follow for 21 days. Once it's created as a habit, then slowly we can work more on the strenuous activities and more of lifestyle changes.
So there is one last question from Kishore, where he says, is it necessary to take 1 day rest in a weekly workout routine?
Right. Not even one day. I would say 2 days. If you are starting off with your exercises, I will say at least take rest for 2 days. Don't go for much of strenuous exercise, because there is a state from detrained to be trained and highly trained. So there are 3 stages. तो अभी हम लोग यदि detrained में हैं, तो we need to get in the to be trained. So like 4 to 5 days of exercises are more than enough. Then once we shift to be trained to a trained individual, then means we need to have at least 6 days of exercises. So we need to take at least 2 days of break from exercises, and sleep is very important. You need to take at least 6 to 6.5 hours of, if you are doing an exercise. 7 hours तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, but while working and too much of stress from the work side as well, so it's very important कि at least we keep a sleep for 6 to 6.5. That's a good sleep, because recovery is very important. आपका recovery नहीं होगा तो फिर से stress hormones बढ़ जाएंगे, आपको exercises के results नहीं मिलेंगे. So that is also very important. Okay, so Ashok has also asked, I'm confused on water consumption per day. Okay. So around 4 to 5 liters that you need to consume in a day, and along with that you can add more of fruits or vegetables which have more of water value, like for example watermelon, strawberries. In terms of veggies, we can add more of cucumber, which has a good amount of water value. And along with that, you can just store fennel water, or you can store a kind of cucumber water, which will helps you to remove from the body, and even also reduces the acidity levels. So that is very important. So this is something in terms of water levels. Now Sunil has asked, if you are doing exercise in the evening time, that's a very nice question. There are a lot of people who perform exercises in the evening. So I would say that your lunch has to be around, if you're doing your workout around 7, so I would say your last 2:33. But just make sure your lunch has to be the best. Your main meal has to be lunch, क्योंकि आयुर्वेदिक लाइफस्टाइल से आपका डाइजेस्टिव फायर इज ऑन 12 to 2. तो whatever you're eating, you'll be able to digest it very properly. तो आप 3 चपाती, दाल, सब्जी, buttermilk and salad. That's a very simple and stable lunch that you can have. That will also keep you satiated for a longer term. आप 2 बजे के आसपास आप try to have your lunch. Try to add a green tea or a kind of I would say black coffee, if you prefer to have black coffee, a small amount of black coffee or a green tea or a lemon water before the exercises, and then go for the exercises around 7, and then try to by 8:30. But 8:30 is a good time. 8:30, around 9 to 9 is max, I would say. And then directly you can have your breakfast around 9:30, 10. If please keep a window of 12 hours to not to eat anything. Even if you are not fasting, if you are not going for intermittent fasting, at least 10 से 12 घंटे का window रखो, because I'd say टाइम चाहिए होता है. दे ऑल्सो लाइक टू हैव कि मतलब बार बार कोई खिलाया जा रहा है, इट्स कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन इनसाइड. दे ऑल्सो नीड देयर टाइम, दैट वी ऑलवेज से फ्रॉम इन वर्क एंड लाइफ टाइम फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, दैट द सेम थिंग फॉर ऑर्गन्स एज वेल. दे ऑल्सो टाइम फॉर देमसेल्व्स, दे नीड टू चिल आउट फॉर सम टाइम. तो थोड़ा टाइम लिवर, किडनी, उनको भी आराम मिलना चाहिए. तो आई वुड से 10 to 12 hours has to be a kind of gap, and then you can have your breakfast.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks for taking all the questions. We have anyways exceeded the time, but the session is going really interesting.
Right.
So I want you all to type powerful in the chat if you really found today's sessions insightful, interesting, and lot of tips. And I want you all to implement those tips, because it's really important to balance your health, keep yourself healthy. Let me tell you, if you are not healthy, if you are not in the best state of your health, no matter which state of your career you are in, if this quadrant of life suffers, it will be really difficult for you to grow and perform and give your best. So thank you so much, Rishi. Quickly, in case the members want to follow you, in case they want to, he has got a very interesting Instagram page, which I follow. And for those who do not know, he is also my coach, my fitness coach. So I've been following him, and I've, felt a lot of changes now in terms of my health. So if you can share your social media handles, and people can follow you.
Yes, I will share it with you, and like definitely, like you guys can also reach out to us anytime. Our number, I will just, it's 8209512559. So this is the number of our. That's a business number. You can reach out to us anytime. If you even have any doubts, like you just want to, we have a group known as All About Fitness, where we answer everyone's queries on Saturdays and Sundays. So we just open that group and people just ask whatever they want to ask. It's an all-in have 2 groups as of now. We around 500 or 600 members are there, so you can just be the part of that group where we answer all the questions every time. It's free of course. There's no charges for that, and like you can have a regular kind of daily motivation related to fitness and the diet, and you will get to know that what exactly you need to eat, and if you have any queries you can just put it out in the group as well with Rachna ma'am, and definitely you guys can also join that group.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Can we, so we generally, I do a once in a month, mostly a 2 days morning session for these people. So we'll work out something. Right. And if we have good number of people interested, maybe one of the Saturdays we can invite them for a demo session where the
yes.
The community members can be a part of the health and fitness session that you have.
Okay, definitely they can enroll for a demo session. They can at least experience that how exactly we go for certain exercises. Rachna ma'am sometimes feel yaar aaj to bahut hi heavy tha aaj ka workout session, so it's like that as well. So yes, so it's like that, and yes, for sure anyone can join and have a demo session. That's totally fine. If they can reach out to us and they want a demo session, that can be arranged. That's totally fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, Rishi, and sharing such insights. Great to have you in the community. So let us all thank Rishi. Please type thank you, Rishi, in the chat. Thank you, Rishi. And let me quickly take a picture. So I'm going to take a picture and I'm going to share that in the Facebook, VIP Facebook group that we have. I want you all to share. I want you all to share what was the best learning or the best tip you got from today's session. So let me take a picture, Rishi.
Yes, definitely. We can take a picture.
One more quickly from mobile. Superb. So don't miss to share your learnings from the session in the group and inspire more people to become more conscious and take good care of your health. Once again, thank you from all of us, Rishi. Thank you so much for joining in, and all the members who were invited by Rishi and came here and stayed with us. Thank you so much for your time, and hope you found this community, really interesting. Thank you, Rishi, once again.
Thanks a lot. I hope everyone has enjoyed the session, and if they have any doubts, they can even reach out to Rachna ma'am. That's totally fine. And thanks a lot everyone, and if you want any other topics to be covered in detail, do let us know. You can tell Rachna ma'am, we can have a session, we can have a detailed thorough session as well. Okay. I think that's something that's from my side. Thank you Rachna ma'am for hosting this session, and I think it's something that slowly also making spread the meme exactly, creating a good kind of fitness community, and at least we are one step ahead for our vision. What a key to make health accessible at the national level. So I think everyone has enjoyed the session. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.